Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm in Windows. Let's start. First, on the Start menu, search Alarms. Then, open the application. You can set an alarm here. Let me change the time. For example, I want to set an alarm for 6 o'clock. You can change alarm name in this box. In this step, choose your day for alarm. After that, choose your alarm's sound. Finally, choose your snooze time. Then, click on Save. Let me show you 3 more options in Alarms and Clock. Go to Clock. Here, you can add a new clock by enter a location. For example, let me type Paris. Let's go to Timer. You can set a timer here. Finally, let's go to Stopwatch. Great. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.